This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the essentials. Windows 11 updated and your Microsoft account signed into the store, and an Android device with link to Windows. Once done, open Phone Link on Windows and choose Android. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on. On Android, open Link to Windows and tap Add Computer. The apps will search. Accept pairing prompts on both screens. This gets the secure handshake started so files, notifications, and apps can stream seamlessly between devices. Next, follow the middle steps to let the connection do useful work. Scan the QR or enter the code shown in Phone Link to confirm the device identity. On Android, grant notification and media permissions so messages and photos sync. Without these permissions, you'll miss content. Back in Windows, allow background activity for Phone Link and enable nearby sharing for quick file transfers. Make sure battery optimization is disabled for Link to Windows so it stays connected during use. Finish by testing. Send a notification, open a photo from your phone in Windows, and try a small file transfer. If things don't appear, restart both devices and relaunch Phone Link. Repairing often clears transient errors. If problems persist, clear the app cache on Android, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and verify you're signed into the same Microsoft account on both ends. One tip: disable battery saver while troubleshooting because aggressive power settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.